Hello friends, my name is Puneet Tomar and today I would like to introduce DC number 7, DC number 10. So let us start with a very quick introduction. May you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Salehi, DC7. I'm working at the Cyprus Institute and my project is about building energy management, and my supervisor is Dr. Panagiotis Papadopoulos.
Hello everyone, I'm Ravi Pandey, Doctoral Candidate 10, and I'm working on human-centric hybrid and passive solutions for adopting building and neighborhood in changing climate, again at the Cyprus Institute under the supervision of Dr. Panagiotis.
Yeah, very nice. Guys, let us start trying to understand your research. I know it's difficult to understand it in a short period, short explanation, but may you please help the audience about your research, what you are doing, what you guys are doing.
In a simple way, I'm trying to minimize building energy consumption while considering occupants' comfort. And occupants' comfort includes more than one domain, it's not only thermal. Includes thermal, visual, acoustic, and air quality.
And in my case, same as Mohammad said, I'm doing for outdoor environment, and it's a kind of big example and combination of urban planning and geoinformation observation, combination of both of them to advance the current urban planning strategies. So,
Right.
Yes.
So, how you think about your research direction? How important it is at this time period?
I think for me, in my case, it's really important. And since most of the people, they don't know about the occupants' multi-domain comfort and they only consider thermal comfort. And I think in my project, if I can, this specific project can just change occupants' perspective toward the multi-domain comfort and tell them, okay, it's not only thermal, it's more than this. You need to consider air quality, visual comfort, acoustic comfort, and only just a little bit changing their perspective, it would help them a lot.
Right. This is important. That comfort is not just about thermal but beyond that.
Yeah. So, if you talk about my topic, currently in classical urban planning approach, we just plan according to city, the previous trends, how and whatever needs. But what if we include the multi-domain perspective to understand people's comfort in the city by including the climate change parameter? So if the urban planning involves multi-domain things, including the thermal comfort, air quality, and so on, as well as the climate resiliency, it would be amazing to have these kind of cities. So this is one of the major contributions.
Yeah, sounds very fascinating. And guys, I think you are in Perugia for your secondment, as we were discussing before this discussion. So please tell us what's your plan, how long you want to stay for your secondment here in Perugia.
My secondment is at the ULTIC and I'm gonna work with Dr. Benedetta Piopi. My secondment will started last week, March, and it will be for 3 months. And in this secondment, I'm gonna work with actuators and to see their effect on indoor environmental variables.
So in short, I just arrived with Muhammad last week. So my secondment would be for 5 to 6 months because firstly I'm gonna do with at the University of Perugia under the supervision of Professor Anna Laura Pizzello. And then it would be combination of ATI project with Filippo Vittori, so that we can have multiple kind of observations such as the human-centric experiments, the predictive modeling, and so on.
Yeah. So what's the plan? I mean, how how are you gonna execute your time here?
In my case, out of the 5 working days, 2 days of them I will go to Ivaltech to collect the data and to see the effect of actuators on variables, indoor environmental variables. And the other 3 days I will be here at the University of Perugia to try to analyze the data that I collected.
Okay, good.
Before coming here, I identified certain hotspot for my main case study, which is in Limassol, Cyprus, which I am using through the satellite data. And I have created my own data sets based on the satellite Copernicus program. Same thing I'm going to replicate here for Perugia, have multiple hotspot for microclimate analysis, and then we'll do some experiment in those microclimate analysis, including the human-centric strategies and the experiments and all. And later, based on that, I'm gonna engage it into the predictive modeling and then further adaptation strategies.
Sounds very interesting to me. I hope your stay here for your secondment will be very productive. I hope you will like it, you will enjoy it. So I welcome you again officially. It was done already, but then just to make it happening again. Welcome to Perugia. Have a wonderful stay.